Hey, today we're going to take a look at the Ryobi campers kit. It's a compact kit that they've set up for camping. So let's take a quick look and see what's inside and see what else we think that we should have in this kit. All right, so we're going to take a look at the Ryobi campers kit. This is the Ryobi one+ 18-volt cordless 3-tool kit. Comes with an area light. Comes with a Bluetooth speaker, a 4-inch clamp fan, 1.5 amp battery, and a charger. So we have everything here. So it's a neat little setup, pretty straightforward to use. Everything is easy to use. What we have is battery is the model PBP002. Area light is the P796. Clamp fan is the PCF02. Charger is PCG002. The wireless Bluetooth speaker is the PAD02. So let's take a look and see how they operate real quick. Always remember, comes with all the operating manuals. You need to read through these and make sure that you know what's going on, and make sure you follow all the warnings and everything inside. Charger and battery are really easy to look at. The battery goes in one way to charge. You have that plugged in. Fan rotates left and right, up and down. It's got a clamp to clamp on here. Plug this in. Real easy to use. You got your on-off on the front here. You got low, off, and high. You clamp this on. We have our area light. It's 400 lumens. Plug that puppy into the battery. Get your power on the side here. There's your light. You get 3 settings. Really straightforward and easy to use. Bluetooth speaker is really straightforward. You get power on top. So plug that in.
Power on.
Out of the 3 items, the Bluetooth speaker has a little bit more involved than the simple on-off switches that we have on the fan and for the area light. On this one, turn the power on, your little green light will flash on top. You have to have a Bluetooth device in the area. I've connected this to my actual laptop, and so all I did was went in and added the Ryobi PAD02 to the Bluetooth items. Popped right on. Laptop. So now let's turn this back on.
Power on.
So there's our 3 items that came in the kit. The PCL 1303 K1N, and it's the camper's kit. From my standpoint, there's one thing missing. Each one of these items on the battery, you're going to need a couple extra batteries other than just the 1.5 that comes with it. Fan will run for hours, light will run for hours, and you'll get quite a few hours out of the Bluetooth speaker. So what's the most important thing? Difference between camping and glamping is, what do you need? And what do people have now that they use all the time? You've got your phone. These things will run for hours. So as far as I'm concerned, more important than the Bluetooth speaker itself is a power inverter. There's a bunch of different types of power inverters. You can go for the small one, or you can go larger, and that all depends on glamping or camping. You got one that can be connected to your car, to auxiliary power, or to an actual 18-volt battery. I actually use this one, and I use a 8 amp hour battery. This one has a light on it. It's really great. You can plug your phone in, charge your phone. So now you have your phone, so you can keep going. So at least should make a kit of 4 items. Or if you're really glamping, a Ryobi inverter or generator that actually works off a 40-volt battery. The items here are great. I actually love them. So let's kick back and let's listen to some music.